పట్టిన పట్టేదో పట్టనే పట్టెను పట్టునెగ్గిడు దాకపోవకుండే.
Whatever thing which he held in such a way, he was not prepared to give up until his wish was fulfilled.
అడిగినదేదియో అడగనే అడిగెను అడిగినదిడు దాకా విడువకుండే.
Whatever he wanted to ask, he asked. Until that was given to him, he was not prepared to give up.
తలచినదేదియో తలచనే తలచెను తలపు తీరెడు దాకా పోవకుండే.
Whatever he wanted to think, he thought. Until the thought got fulfilled, he was not prepared to go away.
కోరినదేదియో కోరనే కోరెను కోర్కె చెల్లుడు దాకా విడువకుండే.
Whatever he wanted to desire and ask, he asked. Until the ask was fulfilled, asking was
కోరు పడలేక తానైన బ్రోవలయు వడలు తెలియక నీవైన అడుగవలయు.
Not being able to drive him away, he has to satisfy the desires of that person.
తిరిగిపోవుట భక్తుని దీక్ష కాదు.
It is not appropriate for a true devotee to give up.